Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Queen of Wands in reverse, Eight of Cups, and Fool in reverse. So Pisces, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are in a good place today. Maybe you are you are in an important position today. You are someone holding a lot of responsibilities and burdens, maybe in your work or maybe in this relationship. You have a person you love, you are in a relationship, you may share a level of understanding with this person, but you are unable to do anything, maybe some kind of obstacles. It may be because of the people you are working with, maybe they are jealous or they are opposing you, maybe, and they are not telling you the truth. They are hiding something, maybe, and it is affecting your work potential. Or if this energy is in your relationship, guys, maybe this person is opposing you. Maybe there may be some misunderstandings, arguments, quarrels in this relationship. And maybe for some of you guys, a very few of you, I see that this person cannot be trusted. So they are quite jealous and they do not have truthful intentions towards you. So you need to be really careful, and you are feeling really worried because of the way this person is. And maybe for some of you, the situation in your relationship, it is simply reducing your work potential, or it is making you really stressed and you are unable to concentrate in your work. Or if you are facing some difficulties in your work situation, you are distracted and you are unable to spend time with this person or do anything with this person, maybe take them out, maybe spend time with them, or being with them. You are unable to do even that. So your troubles are distracting you, guys, Pisces. And Pisces, I also see that you are just wishing that everything changes. Maybe this situation, you are sad because of the way things are going, and maybe this person changes or you change or your circumstance changes and everything will change for the better. And maybe for some of you, you are turning your attention to some kind of beliefs, maybe. So you may adapt some rituals or something to achieve that peace of mind, that calmness. So you are turning your attention to some kind of a spiritual practice, maybe for some of you. I see that also, guys, Pisces. And maybe you may achieve that harmony or balance today, guys, maybe because you are seeing that necessity for change. So seeing the necessity to change yourself or your circumstance is the first step towards a great transformation we see in our life, guys. That is the first step towards spiritual growth. So you are seeing that today, Pisces, you are taking the first step towards some kind of a spiritual practice or a change. So a transformation is coming your way, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished or you may be scolded or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty. And you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel. And this may not go well with this person or someone in your life. And this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is that in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need for to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you're facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you're facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way. Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak we can take support, and the areas we are strong we can help the other person. So in a relationship we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And that is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other, so the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other, so that way we are working towards a peaceful connection. And this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.